What is up, guys? It's your boy Catloco back again with another, you can call it a mini haul, but you can see for yourself. So I just want to show you what I'm going to be doing on my weekend. Normally on the weekends, you know, I hit the junkyards, various ones, but I got the air compressor, I want to say a month ago, maybe close to 2 now. So I need to start painting my fenders and my hood for the Caprice. So to do the prep, you saw me with the Harbor Freight haul. I picked up all my pneumatics and I was missing some grits of sandpaper. So the first thing I bought was some 400 grit sandpaper from Diablo. Now this one, I was looking for some regular hook and loop sandpaper. On Amazon, I was actually going to buy this mesh sandpaper to test out, because Diablo was kind of expensive. I think for what they give you 10, they give you like 10 for $10, and on Amazon I can get like the Merker ones. I can get a 50 box for about 20. So I wanted to try it out first. So I'm gonna use this 400 grit. They call it a sand net or a mesh disc. This is a hook and loop. It comes with this like a backing pad, especially for this type of sandpaper. I may or may not need it, but I'll go ahead and put it on there. So I picked up this 10-pack 400 grit. Then I picked up a 50 of 320. I already have various grits of sandpaper, but I didn't think I had any 400. I wanted to use 400, and then I also needed some 320. So picked up this 50 pack of 320 hook and loop Diablo sanding disc. Next up, in line with the whole air compressor thing, you saw me, I got the Husky. So I went ahead and got the lag bolts. I needed 4 of them. So I just picked up 4 5-inch 3/8 lag screws. So these, I'll be drilling holes in the floor, putting anchors down. So along with the anchors, basically, I'm going to use these lag screws with these PowerMate vibration isolator, or vibration pads as you guys call them. So these are on my haul last time from Home Depot, or maybe Amazon. Might have been Amazon. They sell the 3-wire 230 volt wire that goes through to the air compressor. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up. I may do a video on the installation of this 3-wire for the air compressor, but I'll be using these vibration pads with the lag screw. The washer is actually already on the air compressor on the crate, so I'm gonna drill a hole and then bolt these in all 4 corners. So I got some lag screws for the air compressor, along with the PowerMate pads. On the Husky, it only has like a drain screw at the bottom of the air compressor to relieve any kind of moisture in the tank. So I went ahead and picked up the extended compressor tank drain valve assembly. So basically this replaces the screw at the bottom of the tank and allows it to come out in the front or on the side, whatever you want, for easy access to drain the air compressor. So I went ahead and picked this up. This is model 10053-233 from Home Depot. It's Husky brand. Went ahead and picked this up. I also picked up a 3/8 inch compressor shutoff valve. This goes on the side of the air compressor. This will be the first set of fixtures coming out of the air compressor. So I definitely need a shutoff valve. So I picked this up. I can't remember the price. I think it's $20-something. But this is item 401902. And this lighting has been annoying me greatly, but I actually have another haul that I'm gonna show you my solution to the little shadow on my videos. But anyway, next item up that I got a 3/8 airline filter. I'll probably have a few of these connected with the next item I'm going to show you. But this is model 417548. You should be able to see that. Definitely want to get all the moisture out of the line before I start painting. So I'll definitely need a few of these. I bought this Husky one, but I think I have a few Harbor Freight ones that I'll probably be using for the other connections. Like I said, this is like a mini haul. This is just showing you what I'm going to be doing on the weekend. I'm going to try and knock this out for the weekend, even though we're going to have nice weather, so I may be outside, either at the junkyard or working on my Caprice. Before I show you this item, let's go ahead and go to the big item. So you're actually going to like the next item. It's not going to be this thing. You're going to have to wait to know what that is on the next haul. But along with the air compressor, I was actually scrolling through my emails and this item caught my eye. So right away I had to get it. Anyone know what that is? Yep, I went and picked up a RAPIDAIR home garage kit. This is model 90500 master kit. This is 1/2 inch piping all the way around. So basically the idea with this is I can have multiple air outlets around my garage. So I can have one by my bench, I can have one by the car, I can have another one on the other side of the garage. But what I like about this is if I change my mind, all I gotta do is disconnect these little elbows and put new fittings and then extend it. So I can put this thing all around my garage if I want to. It comes with, I think, 100 feet of tubing. You can buy another 100 or 50 feet for about $50. So actually I think this may just come with 50. Now I'm looking at it. But anyway, that's more than enough for my garage, I think. My garage isn't that large. But yeah. Definitely happy to have this. I was looking into like doing pipes around the garage, you know, for the air compressor. But this thing was only $72 on sale at Northern Tool. I had to pick this up. It's something I planned on doing. I just didn't know how I was gonna configure it around my garage at the moment. But as soon as I saw the email, immediately I went on YouTube, started looking at videos, and I went ahead and picked it up. And at Northern Tool, they actually sell accessories for this kit, like tees and all these fittings you can buy at Northern Tool, or you can, you know, make your own from like Home Depot in the plumbing section. But yeah, this is definitely going in. It'd be nice to have multiple outlets for my air tools and my paint guns around my garage, so I'll be running cable all around and over my paint job. So I'm really excited to have this. Hey guys, the last item I got was just for the air compressor, the RAPIDAIR kit. These clips. This is what I'll be using to like attach it to the wall. So I picked up 2 packs of the clips. I think they were like $4 for, I want to say like 10 of them. 12. So you get 12 clips in a pack. I think these are about $4. Went and picked up 2 just in case, because I plan on putting the system probably on both sides of my garage. So pick up some clips. I'm really excited for that RAPIDAIR system. I looked at a lot of reviews on YouTube online before I bought it. It doesn't explode like PVC pipe that people have problems with it like blowing up. So I went ahead and picked up that system, give it a shot. People seem to love it, so I think we'd be good on my 60-gallon system. But anyway, I just want to give you guys a video for the morning. I didn't plan on making a video, but I want to give you something to watch on your Friday. So I'm gonna give you a little quick update. We're at, I think, 3399 watch hours, so we're about 3400 watch hours. I still need 600 more. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a card up for my giveaway video. At 4,000 hours, I'll be giving away those ratchets. But I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. Just go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe if you're new, share if you want. Peace.